This is an Origin project file. It is used for data analysis in physics and engineering. The Origin viewer is free and allows you to copy the graph data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the viewer. Let's keep this in our back pocket. I have a specialized, rarely known method for opening OPJ files when conventional applications give up. Here's a hint. Our ultimate backup plan is listed below. OPJ files are project files from OriginLab. Origin, a scientific data analysis and graphing application. They contain worksheets, graphs, analysis, results, matrices, notes, and layout pages organized in a project hierarchy for comprehensive scientific data, visualization, and reporting. OPJ files use a proprietary binary project format, storing multiple workbooks with column-oriented data sheets, 2D and 3D graph definitions, analysis operation pipelines, matrix sheets, and project-level metadata in a single compressed project container file. Windows registers the OPJ file as an opener for Origin developed by OriginLab Corporation. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows gives limited insight, so interpreting the contents requires the originating tool. Let's verify the file's compatibility against known readers. Right-click the OPJ file and select Open with Test Origin if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the OPJ format uniquely. If your OPJ file is not opening yet, that is normal. If your OPJ file still refuses to load, we are dealing with one of 3 predictable errors. Let's check them off with this easy list right now. First, opening in Origin. Launch OriginLab. Origin or Origin Pro and use File then Open to load the OPJ project file. The Project Explorer window displays all worksheets, graphs, and analysis results. Navigate the folder hierarchy to access individual data sheets and graph windows. Next, using the free viewer. If you do not own Origin, download the free Origin viewer from the OriginLab website. The viewer allows you to open OPJ files, view graphs and worksheets, and export data without requiring a full Origin license. It supports read-only access to all project elements. Finally, exporting data and graphs. Within Origin, export worksheets as CSV or Excel files, using File, then Export, then ASCII or Excel. Export graphs as high-resolution images in PNG TIFF or EPS format for publication. Use Edit, then Copy Page to copy graphs directly to presentations or documents. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.